In this video, I will show you how to convert PDF with non-native text into full editable CAD text. I'm starting the program and now I'm choosing the file I need to convert. As the first step, I will view the file in our internal viewer. Our internal viewer has the very interesting feature to separate the four main PDF entities on a screen. I push the button Characters. You see that on the screen all native text is separated. This is a native text, and to convert this text into an editable text is not a difficult task. But if I push the button Raster Image, you can see this text and this text and this text are not a native text. This is text as a raster image. And if you want this text as an editable text, you need to apply optical character recognition on the drawing. When I push the button Path, you can see that this text is also not a native text. And when I push the button Filled Path or Boundary Hatch, you can see that this text here is not a native text, but only a boundary hatch. What I have to do now is I need to activate optical character recognition. You will find this by pressing the button here under OCR text recognition. First, I will activate automatic OCR recognition of text. Here I'm defining the direction of the text with slope 0 degree and slope 90 degree. You will also need to decide what your primary text is. In your drawing, if almost all text is horizontal, you would activate slope 0 degree as your primary text. The next step is to check the settings as well as select the correct language. This particular drawing is from the US, so I'm going to select English, United States. The text is represented in this drawing as path, hatch, and raster image. In this case, 300 dpi is enough. Here you can define the maximum and minimum text height so that the text separation is correct. Here you can define the correct threshold for the color black if your drawing is in a grayscale. By selecting Preview, you can see that the settings are correct. Now, Preview is only the first step of optical character recognition. You will need to pre-separate everything in your drawing, which is text. If the pre-separation is correct, you will not need to change any of the settings you have made and can select OK, and then press Start, which will start the conversion. After the conversion is done, the program forwards you to the following interface. Here you will see that the program separates what was found in the drawing and what word was recognized, but the program is not positive that this is correct, so you need to look at each word and verify that the recognized word and the word in the drawing are correct. If not, as in this example, you can go here and correct. You will need to do this for each word recognized in the drawing. You then select Apply and the program completes the conversion. You can view the output with the use of our internal viewer. The internal viewer has many different features for recognition of the drawing structure. The most important feature is View Properties. From the drop-down menu, you can see what is recognized as text, and you can see for an example that the recognition was working automatically. In this case, this was not correct, as it recognized these two circles as the word to. And if you see, for example, here, this symbol was recognized as CQ, when it was actually the letter E inside of a circle. Now, if you want, you can correct it in your CAD system, or you can go back to OCR text recognition and then select Enhanced OCR recognition of text. Now you can correct OCR errors because the OCR errors are the most important information for the program. Now I'm going to zoom this area here and then delete these two areas. I'm going to zoom in on this area over here as well and adjust it to the symbol or letter I want it to recognize. Selecting Save and starting the conversion. You will see with this small step of editing text areas will increase the quality of optical character recognition extensively. Apply. View Output. View Properties, Entity Type, and now you see that we have multi-line text and single text. In this one, the recognition was accurate. Thank you very much for watching.